Hello guys, good morning or good afternoon, good evening, welcome back. I decided to go ahead and film because I'm start over. Maturing is realizing that Easter is better than Christmas. I'm just kidding, but for a while now, one of my favorite things to do is like to get really glammed up, dolled up on Easter. I think the refreshingness of the time of year that Easter falls on is very enlightening, and like, I don't know, Easter glow ups. Today is Saturday, April 8th. It's the day before Easter, but I had like a little ding in my head today, and it was like, maybe you could do a wig. So I have this one little Amazon wig. I already put it on here before, but I want to do a full-on transformation. I figured if I'm going all out, I might as well film. So for today, I'm going to be waxing my eyebrows in just a second. I'm going to shower and I'm going to start trying to like slick my hair back and get it in a good spot for putting like a wig cap on and stuff. And I'm a little bit scared because sometimes once you start this process, you can't just like decide, never mind, I'm not going to do the wig for Easter anymore. That's what today's transformation is. And then the next couple of videos that you're going to be getting from me are going to be New York City related. And I'm so excited for the little mini trip we have planned next week. But for now, let's get started. If you watch my most recent vlog, you will see that I picked up these Nair wax strips from CVS. I'll link it below if you want to see it. It's, you know, just one a daily life vlog for me. But yeah, I really like using these on the brows. They also come with post-wax wipes. I'll just give you a quick little example of how they work. It's like this. There is another bigger size in this box, but I'm just not ready for that yet. Could be like for armpits or bikini. So you're gonna pull it and they come apart. How I go about doing my eyebrows is kind of a weird little process, but I will not make you guys sit through any more of this. And then the wipe for afterwards is really nice. So yeah, my skin is not its best right now. I am on my period, so you know, it is what it is, but I think we can make it look good for tomorrow. Y'all, when I die, bury me in my juicy robe. Alright guys,
I love you.
After that step, there is no going back. It's just before 7 a.m. It's been a really long time since I tried to like color correct, but you know what? today is supposed to be a full glam, and I do not want under eye bags. Got my Estee Lauder old foundation, dude. Did forget to do my Benefit brow pen before concealing, and that's why I stopped under the brow and didn't do the top yet. This has been my go-to primer for like glow. Drugstore. We're very glowy. No, not in it. Well, this is a disaster because we're running late and I never even, yeah.
Sure, you're not gonna be able to turn around at today, Friday.
Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of Easter Glam. Starting with this and building off of it. So church was, I don't want to say church was a nightmare, but church was rough with my youngest. Plus we were late. Plus I felt super self-conscious with my wig. I had enough of the wig eventually. I did take it off at home. Unfortunately, I have to feel self-conscious when I try something new. But we're going to start off with trying to blow dry. Hopefully I got the majority of that glue out because that is a strong hair glue. I'm going to use actually one of my waxing strip wipes to try and get the excess glue. Play with your mom. Also, the best thing for getting this type of glue out is like vegetable oil, olive oil, but wasn't ready for that right now. Luckily my brows are still intact, and I did cry a little bit today, so not bad. I never even really got to foundation earlier, just like the priming and concealing. So I'm using my Dermablend Flawless Creator. This is a good full coverage and lightweight foundation. Mine is on its very last leg though. A brief brow touch up. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, you know? Okay, time to get the fit back on. And now you see why I wear a wig, because my hair looks like dog shit. Hey guys, I'm here to tell you that shortly after that last video ended, my son had an insane poop massacre. It was a lot. I guess I'm not gonna go into detail. That being said, my glam never got fully finished for the day. Lashes never went back on. I decided to put on comfy clothes after the whole poop catastrophe. And this is as far as we got. And I'm okay with it because it's Easter and you can only do so much. And so yeah, I am ending the day in just casual comfy. What are you gonna do? Easter 2023. Let me know if you guys were entertained though by this video. And I will say the brows were snatched all day. I will say that. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.